Yes.
Oh,
No problem.
all the way in second.
Woohoo!
Hello.
Hello.
Boy, it's hot.
So hot.
We've been here about 4 hours, but just had to go straight down to the lake to cool off, which I'm going to put in the clip in now. Only one place to be when it's this warm. Oh no. Oh no. But now it's cooled down a bit, so we can go out and explore the town and get something to eat.
And it's 7:34, and I think it's about 34 degrees.
34 degrees.
Roasting. Not complaining though, because we've not got rain.
There's the town up there, so it's not far, but it is a walk uphill to get there. This looks really nice. Got the place to ourselves at the moment as well. Wow, how amazing was that meal? That is actually my favourite meal so far on this holiday. What do you think?
Beautiful, you have to go there. Delicious.
I had this thing a bit like belly pork. It was very fatty, but oh my goodness, it was so nice. The best kind of belly pork tasting food I've ever had in my life. It was amazing, and starter and dessert were amazing as well.
Yeah.
So if you come to Boltana, you got to go there.
Yeah.
First full day in Boltana. On the way down here we saw a nice foot suspension bridge, so we're going to try and head off towards that direction. It takes us across the mountains, so there's quite a lot of climbing to do. Trying to get out early-ish before the heat comes again. It's already quite warm. That's my kind of truck. Nice hairpin section there. Not coming back this way, but that would have been great to go down there. Not good. Just been riding up this track here, an almighty pop. And back wheel's gone. Got a spare in a tube and some patches and stuff, so let's hope I can get it fixed, because it's a long way back.
Oh my gosh.
So this is what happened, it's just completely blown the inner tube. I think what's happened is with the heat, it's not, it's a tyre.
Yeah, it's a tyre.
The tyre's
Sugar.
gone.
Oh, no.
That's not good. I haven't got a spare tyre.
Oh no.
I've got a long walk back.
Oh no.
No wonder it went down quickly. Bike ride, second attempt. Got a new tyre on the back now. I think it's the heat that blew it the first time. So been super careful with the pressures for today. But already with the heat I can feel the tyres expanding.
38 degrees today.
Oh, well I've got further today. Just gone past the point where it blew up yesterday. So far, so good.
It's so hot, isn't it?
It's baking. Oh, some beautiful horses. Nice to see them roaming free. Amazing. These rocks here are from seashells. They were so abundant many years ago that they all formed into rocks. Bit of a difficult trail this, just following somebody else's, so I thought it'd be easy. But yeah, it'd be great as a walking trail, maybe not so much as a biking trail. Oh dear. Oh, not good. I've just come off my bike. Came down here, head first. Really winded me, but I think I'm okay. Nothing broken. My ribs are killing me though. Oh.
That was like a Red Bull technical off the scale bike ride which we walked.
It was horrendous.
It was horrendous.
Oh my goodness.
Oh.
Show me a bar.
Oh my god, I've got the bruises and scrapes all over my legs. Oh, I need gin, I need everything now.
Bridge. Bridge. To the road at last. Battered and bruised. Scraped, scrapped. We didn't scrap, did we? We've got half a bottle of water left. That's 6 miles to go, I think, 6 or 7. This is why we came here, to see this bridge. Woo. It's got holes in it. I should have filmed the first sip, but I couldn't wait. Beautiful. This is the prime spot on the campsite, right in the corner, next to the path that takes us down to the river and into town. That's where we're going, up there, into the town, and then right to the top of there where there's some ruins. Hopefully we're going to fly the drone up there. So this path brings us out just at the start of the reception. There's a map here as well of all the different things you can do here. Here's the bridge, weight limit 15 ton, is it? Gets really busy when it's hot. Seen a few people jumping off here. If I'd have been here a few days longer, I'm sure I would have jumped off as well. As you walk past the water wheel, the quickest way into town is that way, up the steps.
There's nice bars and restaurants, isn't there?
Yes. Just you to notice that one. Just out of the village now, walking up a steep section to the, what do we call it up here?
Church.
An ancient ruin of a church, I think. This is steep, about 30 degrees. Don't come here in your high heels. Mind you, my footwear's not much better. Flip-flops. And we're there.